Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking. In this series, Creative Cooking puts a new spin on how you can use traditional Jamaican foods to make interesting meals. Stay tuned now for your host, Maisie Miller.
We're happy that you have joined us today on Creative Cooking. My special guest is Chef Kirk Myers, a certified executive chef. Chef Myers, we welcome you to Creative Cooking.
Thank you for having me. I was asked to select a local product, which is traditional to commemorate our 50th anniversary. In that regards, I've chosen to do one of our Jamaican classics, which is Ackee and Corned Pork.
And as you have breadfruit over there, sir?
Yes, also doing it with roast breadfruit.
Chef, over to you.
All right, thank you. All right, to start off, we're just using all our ingredients, which are all local, all fresh. We're using garlic, scallion, thyme, onion, tomatoes. These are everything we can find around the house easily. And to start, we're going to saute by using some of our Grace vegetable oil, just a couple of teaspoons here. While it is being heated, we are going to start first by doing our roast breadfruit. So we're going to take out the heart. That's how we do to remove it. And once this is out, we're going to stir the bottom. Breadfruit can be done on top of our stove, can be done in our ovens as well. We also can do it coal fire, just like our grandpa would. Yes, the good old days. And we're going to just do it a bit new age. We're going to wrap this in aluminum foil, and we're going to wrap this. All right, very, very simple. And we're going to put this in our oven until cooked. When this is finished, what we do to ensure it's finished, we normally put this insert, and if it comes out really clean, just like when you're doing cake, then you know that the brochure, we normally call it, or breadfruit, is finished. We're going to put it in the oven.
We see a gushous steam coming out, Chef.
Yes. All right, so now our oil is ready. We're going to start with just a tad bit of garlic and onions. Tomato. Well, I use a lot of this tomato just to really give our dish color. Because cooking at home also, we're cooking for our children.
What is that last ingredient you put in, Chef?
Just add a bit of chocho and some thyme. And we had just a bit of parsley. Now our corned pork was pre-done, boiled to remove some of that salt from it, and we're just going to add it.
And you debone that, I take it?
Yes, it is deboned. And you can also get it commercially done. We're going to add our ackee, and this
boiled and drained.
It's boiled and drained, and we're going to add it too. So we want all these flavors to marinate properly. When we add it, it is very minimal stirring to ensure you don't have that looking like eggs. Yes, you want a large piece of ackee inside of it. I'm going to add it. The ackee. And then we're going to go black pepper. So a little bit of black pepper.
And white pepper can't go in this dish.
No, it would not be traditional, it would not be Jamaican. I know we love to see all that wonderful color. And I prefer to use ackee when it's fresh. It holds up a lot better versus the canned ones. You know,
we can understand, if you are abroad, you have to use the convenience of what is in a can.
Or traditional way of plating this is simply by just spooning it on. And we have a true Jamaican classic. All right, but wonderful enough. If you notice, we didn't use any pepper. We have some wonderful products here. Grace offers different
Grace Scotch bonnet pepper sauce.
Yes. And wonderful products. So what I've done is I've added some to a squeeze bottle here, and you can just add a little pepper for
sweet and spicy.
Yeah, sweet and spicy. And this is the yellow Scotch bonnet.
Right?
Yes. And this is a simple traditional classic. Now what I'm going to do is to show you what we do here, even at my hotel I work at Secret Resorts, is that we take our classic and we just contemporize it just a little bit, but we still maintain the flavors, the quality, and the taste.
Right?
Yes, and integrity of our product. And this is a very contemporary way of plating a classic. What we're going to also do is use a cutter, and we're going to take the centers out, but the rest of it, outer part, we'll use it in other products. We throw nothing out.
Nothing at all.
Yes.
Breadfruit salad.
Yes.
Creamed breadfruit. Breadfruit
soup.
casserole, breadfruit soup. Eh?
All right. And once this is done, also, we will remove the heart from it. All right. So what we're going to do, just like in the restaurants to show our housewives, or we can just tweak things up a bit.
And take it to another level.
To another level, yes. It's just simply by adding sauces, same sauces we had before.
On the base of the plate?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, wonderful colors.
Sweet and spicy sauce, the green.
Yes, so you have that pepper
sauce.
and then you also have, so we're going to add breadfruit to this.
Yes.
Right? Same thing that we're doing. We're just doing it in a contemporary form. This is a breadfruit now.
Yes.
I'm going to use this breadfruit in a chip format with the skin on.
Yes.
And we're going to fry this a little bit. And you see, it's very simple, it's not time consuming,
Yes, yes.
and everybody can enjoy this. The chip also will work as a garnish and also can be eaten as well, so it works dual purposes. And to drain these, I simply use paper towel. Wonderful. All right, and now we're going to put the contemporary classic together. Just piling this on, making sure we get some of this wonderful color on top. Add to this, and then we're just going to add our breadfruit chip.
Like sails, eh?
Yes. So it's a very same product, but this is done in a contemporary fashion. And that's just us. Very, very simple.
I thank you sincerely.
It's my pleasure.
All viewers would really like to get this recipe. And I know you will join me in saying, Maisie, send the recipes to them as quickly as possible, right?
Sure.
We'd like to share these recipes with you, so we invite you to give us a call at Grace Kitchens. And we'd be too happy to get these and other traditional Jamaican meal ideas to you. As always, we thank you so much for watching.
Traditional Jamaican foods, new ways to prepare them, something different for you to try out and enjoy at home. Hope you enjoyed today's creative cooking and that you'll join us again next Monday morning at 7:35 with a repeat on Sundays at 2:20 p.m. here on TVJ. That's creative cooking. Don't miss it.